Hello dear fans. How nails grow. Nails, plates of dead epidermal cells filled with keratin, grow throughout a person's life. Their growth occurs due to the fact that new, not yet keratinized cells in the lunula push out dead strong cells. In a week, the nail can grow by 2 mm nail growth. Nails are dense, corneous plates on the toes and hands of a person, which are a type of epidermis. Their purpose is to protect the fingers from damage to the soft tissues and nerve endings in them. The nail plates consist mainly of keratin, a type of protein that is also found in the skin and hair. Keratin contains many sulfur atoms that strengthen this substance and make it strong and solid. In addition to protein, the nails contain a small amount of water and fat, due to which the surface of the nail plates shines a little. They also contain phosphorus, calcium, chromium, selenium and zinc. Nails grow at a rate of about 1 to 2 mm per week, on the legs a little slower, that is, the plate is completely renewed in about 6 months. Various environmental conditions and conditions of the human body can slow down or speed up nail growth. In addition, nails grow faster in women than in men. Growth increases in summer and decreases in winter. It has been noticed that the nails grow a little faster on the working hand, possibly due to the fact that the blood supply to the more often used limb is better. If the length of the nail can grow as much as necessary, then the thickness is determined genetically, and it is impossible to make the plate by natural methods thicker than it is in the genes. Sometimes nails become thinner due to injury or lack of minerals, in which case they can be restored. Mechanism of nail growth. The tissue of the nails is dead, there are no nerve endings and blood vessels in it, so a person does not feel pain when cutting nails or they break. However, the corneous plates on the arms and legs grow, despite the fact that dead cells cannot divide. The fact is that the cells are alive at the base of the nails, in this place they are actively reproduced. Each new living cell is gradually filled with keratin, which, due to its waterproof properties, stops the communication of cell parts with each other, and it dies. The keratinized, dead cell is literally squeezed out by new, recently formed and not yet filled with keratin cells outward, due to which the nail plate is gradually lengthened. New nail tissue is formed in a special area called the lunula. It can be seen on each finger. It is a small white or light semicircle at the very base of the nail, above which a small layer of skin is formed, the cuticle. It protects the keratin production site and new nail cells from bacteria and mechanical damage. Thanks for watching.